Mike, look right here, right now. What on earth is this terrible grade?
Dad, please let me explain. It was just a really hard test today.
Didn't you study for this test at all? You promised me you prepared thoroughly.
I forgot to review the last 2 chapters because time slipped away. Look at your tired face. How late were you actually awake last night, Mike?
I was just resting in my bed. I was trying to fall asleep, honest. He was playing video games online until almost midnight. I saw his game status.
Ben, why did you tell them that? You promised to keep my secret.
That explains everything. No more video games for you until your grades improve dramatically.
Nobody understands me in this house. You are always ruining all my fun. Just leave me alone forever. I do not want to talk to anyone right now. Everything is completely ruined, and nobody even cares about how hard I tried. Just one more match to level up my hero. I cannot stop playing now.
Wow, it is already almost midnight, but I am winning this epic boss battle.
I am so sleepy, but if I quit now, I will lose all my points.
I will just wake up early and skim through the study notes before class.
My head hurts so badly, and my eyes are burning from staying up late.
Class, please review your test scores carefully and notice where you made careless mistakes.
Mike, this is your 2nd failing score this week. We need to talk soon.
Oh no, not another failing grade. What am I gonna do now?
Look at Mike's paper over there. He totally failed the quiz again today.
I wish I could disappear into thin air so nobody would stare at me.
I feel so miserable and embarrassed. I cannot even swallow my lunch sandwich.
Hey, Mike, are you okay? I am really sorry about earlier this morning at home. I thought playing for just 1 more hour wouldn't matter at all last night.
You don't have to stop playing games forever, Mike. You just need balance. But what does balance even mean when games are so fun and exciting?
It means you just need to learn when to stop and finish work first.
Maybe you are right, Ben. I was so exhausted during the test I could barely read.
I want to fix this mess. I want my parents to feel proud of me. Mom? Dad? Are you in the living room? I am home from school.
Come sit down with us, Mike. We need to have an honest family talk.
I got another bad grade today, and I realize now that I made huge mistakes.
We are not angry because we hate games, Mike. We care about your future.
We will not ban your games forever, but we must build a healthy daily schedule. First priority is homework every single day, right after school, without any screen distractions.
So if I finish all my homework first, do I get to play outside?
Yes.
1 full hour of outdoor sports and fresh air keeps your brain active.
Then you earn 45 minutes of gaming time before dinner every evening.
Deal, Lily. I will collect every single gold star on this entire schedule board.
And the most important rule is bedtime at 9 sharp, with all screens turned off.
I promise I will follow every single step on this new plan, Dad.
Time to start the new routine. No distractions, just focus studying today.
Chapter 4 is all about plant cells and energy cycles. Let's master this topic.
Photosynthesis converts light energy into chemical fuel. This actually makes total sense now.
Done with all homework in 40 minutes. Ahead of schedule and feeling great. Pass the ball over here, Ben. Let's score another goal together.
Great catch, Mike. You have way more energy today than yesterday morning.
Running outside feels so refreshing. My brain feels totally awake and energized.
Time for my gaming session. I am setting the timer just like we agreed. Just one thrilling race before dinner. Playing within the time limit feels so much better.
Beep, beep, beep. Time is up right on the dot for today.
Controller off. A promise is a promise, and I am sticking to it.
I am so proud of you, Mike. You turned it off all by yourself.
Here is your shiny star for today because you were super responsible, Mike.
Pass the mashed potatoes, please. Today was such a productive and fun day.
You managed your time wonderfully today, son. Keep this great momentum going.
Good night, Mom and Dad. I am actually feeling really sleepy and relaxed.
Tomorrow is another chance to learn more and become my best self.
I know the answer, Mrs. Carter. Chloroplasts produce food for the plant cells.
Excellent answer, Mike. That is completely correct and very well explained.
Look at this diagram, Ben. If we quiz each other, we will ace next week's exam.
You have become such a study master, Mike. Let's review Chapter 5 next.
2 full weeks without breaking the routine. Every single day earned a gold star.
Today is the big science test day. I am fully prepared and ready.
I remember every single definition and formula from our study sessions this week.
Question number 10 is solved. Double-checking every answer before turning it in.
Here is my completed exam, Mrs. Carter. I really gave it my best effort.
Thank you, Mike. I have noticed how hard you have been working lately.
I wonder how everyone did on the science exam today. I am so nervous.
You all did very well on this unit exam, especially one very dedicated student.
My heart is beating so fast. Please let it be a good score.
Outstanding job, Mike. You earned the highest score in the entire class today.
An A! I got an A! I really turned my grade around completely.
Way to go, Mike. I knew you could do it if you stayed focused.
I have to run home right now and show this to Mom and Dad.
They are gonna be so happy when they see this top grade.
Dad, look what I brought home from school today. You won't believe it.
What is all the excitement about, Mike? Tell us what happened.
I got an A on my science test. 98% on the hardest exam.
Oh, Mike. We are so unbelievably proud of your hard work and dedication.
You proved that you are responsible, Mike. You truly earned your game time back.
Here is your controller, son. You showed us that you know how to balance life.
Thank you, Dad. I promise I will never let gaming take over my responsibilities again. Mike is a superhero now. He gets the giant golden star of the month.
Let's celebrate Mike's big achievement with his favorite dinner tonight.
Remember when Mike thought he was on a secret midnight gaming mission last month?
I thought I was being so sneaky, but staying awake only gave me bad grades.
Everyone makes mistakes, but what matters most is learning and growing from them.
Time for my 45 minutes of victory gaming. Let's start the level. Watch out for the obstacles on the left, Mike. You are doing amazing.
Almost time to wrap up the match before getting ready for bed.
Level complete. That was so much fun, and now my gaming time is finished. Powering down now. Tomorrow is another great school day with new things to learn.
Seeing you make smart choices on your own is the greatest reward for us.
Having balance makes every part of my life so much more fun and peaceful. Remember, playing video games is awesome, but knowing when to stop is a true superpower.
When we balance our fun and duties, we can succeed at everything we do. Control your time wisely, and you will unlock your very best life every day.